In this video, I'm going to show you how to use YouTube to profit from people's political passions. Politics is very polarizing and people get very, very passionate about them. Whether you're in the United States and you're on the Republican side of things or Democrat side of things, people are passionate about their politics. I'm going to show you how to use YouTube to be able to profit from that passion. I did just do a video on how to do the same method on Facebook. I like the idea so much that I'm going to show you how to do some really cool things on YouTube as well. So I'm going to show you two different ways on how you can do this, and both are very, very powerful. First off, you're going to do a search for, I did a search for US politics. Now, mind you, this will work worldwide. People are passionate about politics no matter where you're at. In this particular case, the traffic source that I'm using, they want US traffic. So I did a search for US politics, and then I filtered here. I clicked filter and I filtered by the last hour, right? It's very important that you filter by the last hour here because politics they go so quickly that you really want to get that top comment from this method as quickly as possible. And that way you can get more traffic to your YouTube channel, right? Before we get in,
like me, you've probably had an issue with any
even
number
get
of
into
things that
this.
Donald Trump has said
Hold
over
on
the
one
past few
second
years.
here.
Well, I've got some good news for you. He's having trouble speaking basically at all.
There we go. So you're gonna start out and you're going to create a YouTube channel general to politics. You don't want to be on the right. You don't want to be on the left. So you could do a channel called like the politicking, politics general, politics today, politics weekly, weekly politics, something along that's very non-committal, right? And what we're going to do is the reason why we want that is you see this guy's name is Lincoln Tech. What you really want is you want a political cut. That way people know that you're a politics channel, right? And what you're going to do is you're going to do a little comment right here. It's going to be something that pertains to the video. So in this case, Trump loses his dentures, right? This site is definitely about they're probably a left-leaning site. They're more democratic kind of thing, right? So you're going to cater to their side of things, right? So you're going to say something like big orange buffoon loses teeth, can't doesn't matter, doesn't stop him from using Twitter or something along that lines, right? Something funny that's going to get a lot of people commenting. That's what you really want, right? And chances are, if you get a lot of people that are commenting, they're going to click on because you're a politics site, they're going to click on your channel and give your channel a look, right? And that's really what you want to do. And what you're going to do is on your channel, you're going to create videos that are left-leaning and right-leaning. It doesn't really matter. You're going to find a headline that's very, very polarizing, and you're going to use basically slideshows or something like that, and you're just going to talk over them and create some small videos here, daily. Another thing that you can do is this is probably what I would do, is have like one video, and I worked really hard on this video and I made it really, really amazing. And basically is Trump a good president, and then the whole video is basically to get them to take a survey, which is from my CPA network where I got the survey from. So in this particular one, it was Max Bounty is where I got the survey from. And basically all it is for like a Visa gift card. If they sign up for it, I end up getting, I think it's $1.60. It's not crazy. But people are so passionate about politics, you're going to be able to generate a lot of traffic simply from your comments alone. People are going to see that you're a politics channel and jump over and give you a looky-loo, right? So if you have a really good opening tagline for your for your video and for your comments, then you're going to get some traffic, which is great. So these are the two CPA offers that I picked from. And by the way, don't freak out if you can't get in the Max Bounty. You can get these CPA offers anywhere. You can go to Affiliate Vault and find a network that you can work with. So don't freak out because you see Max Bounty. Just work with any affiliate network that has a political whatever. And it doesn't even have to be politics. Just listen, use your head, guys. It could be anything that people are very, very passionate about. Religion, anything like that, right? So, anyways, you're going to try to get that top comment. Here's a little pro tip, right? If you write something out, have a couple of what I call mule accounts that you can upvote and comment on your original comment. So let's say we're the politics or Politic Weekly. I make a comment as Politic Weekly, and I say, big orange buffoon still twitters, blah blah blah. I'm going to sign into other accounts and upvote it, right? So as you can see here, there's a couple people getting likes, but 2, 1, 3. So basically, you could probably get the top comment with 4 or 5 likes and a couple comments. So basically, you need 4 or 5 separate YouTube accounts that you can like and upvote this original to the top. You can also get friends and family. Now, mind you, making multiple accounts like that is kind of, against the terms of service. Lots of people do it. You're probably not going to get busted for it, but I do want to put that disclaimer in there. You can also use, friends and family to help you out to get that up if you want to go on a more secure, safe route. You can secure that top comment, and you're going to get subscribers and you're going to get likes on your comment, right? And then over here in your channel, you're going to have either a bunch of videos on politics, and each one of them are going to have the CPA offer in them, or you're going to create one video, one like channel trailer, and your whole thing is about that, right? Is Trump doing a good job? Blah blah blah, right? So this is the default lander that I made with Builderall, and basically what it is. Do you like yes or no? It doesn't matter which one they choose. It's going to take them to this Max Bounty affiliate offer. So it's going to take them to the CPA offer. If they put in their email address, then I get paid, right? So very, very simple. Now, the second step is instead of filtering by last hour, we're going to go to U.S. politics. We're going to do a search, and we're going to filter by live video, right? So we're going to go ahead and filter by live video, and that way we can actually comment throughout the video while it's going on, and we can engage it with people. And this is very powerful because you're actually responding and being part of the community, and people seeing your channel as an actual political channel, they might be more apt to go check out your channel, where of course they're going to see the link. Now, mind you, you might be tempted to just go ahead and post here's the live right here. You might be tempted to just go ahead and post your affiliate link. Don't do that, because that's going to get your account banned. YouTube doesn't like, blank affiliate links. They don't like any of that kind of stuff. Nobody likes that. So what you need to create this little landing page, and this is what you theoretically could share. But again, you're not going to want to do that because you're going to get ghosted. You want to create your own videos on your own channel, and that's the much safer way. You want to draw people to your channel and do it by, kind of fishing out on these other channels and getting them. So you got Sky, let's see, Watch Sky News. They're live right now. There's 3.8 thousand, almost 4,000 people chatting in there. Some of these are going to be, international stuff like that, but you just stick away from those, because this is, in this particular case, we're looking for U.S. politics stuff. But you got Al Jazeera English Live, so that's basically international about the United States. So again, you're just going to keep looking around and see if you can find like a local news station or whatever that's doing live But you're going to get a lot of international stuff here, which again, if you find an international one that's really good, you don't necessarily have to do this with politics. That's just the route that I took. You could do this with anything that's really, really passionate. This trick will work on both ways of filtering with a plethora of different things. So don't think that you get pigeonholed into one thing. So basically, what you're going to do is you're going to use the YouTube filter based on the search parameters, and you're going to look for like the last hour or live videos. You're going to create content on your YouTube channel based around that, and then you're going to need a landing page so that when people click on it, it takes them to an affiliate offer or a CPA offer. All right, guys, if you have any questions, leave a comment down below. If you liked the video, make sure that you subscribe. I think it was really good content. I don't know if you did, but I think it was worth the subscribe. Guys, see you in the next video.